Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a good day, and hope you have a good day. Since this has been on everybody's mouths the last couple days, let's take a look at it. FTM on the daily chart right now. This has been an awesome move, and it's one of those things where it's like, if I would have been paying attention, totally could have made this. You have bull trend confirmed here, bull swing here, pull back to dynamic support, which is above a static support. You have two good entry points, and you have profit here, another chance to re-enter, and then boom, all that. Something that's really good to note on the daily chart is we do have bearish divergence setups, but all of them have been invalidated. The oscillator value has crossed above the last highest high. So this is a pretty bullish sign for the daily chart. We'll probably have some decent prices here in the future. Just looking at all these things. 8 hour is where I'd probably be trading. Well, 8 and 4. This has been an explosive move, so you may not be getting retracement that'll get you down to the 8 hour daily level. So bull trend confirmed here. Bull swing at this bar. So when this bar closes 4 p.m. Pacific, it'll come up as bull swing on the 8 hour chart. You want to look for pullback to support, ideally dynamic support, some form of a dynamic support, but you can absolutely use a static support. And something that's interesting that CJ posted, the fib retracement levels. Let me zoom in here. This value, 0.04697, that lies right above this static support. So that's probably a decent level to look for an entry if you don't have dynamic support above that. If price falls too quickly and meets this dynamic support underneath the static support, I would probably consider not taking it. Just because we'll have a lot of resistance. Like, it may mean that like price will consolidate in this zone for a while before it makes its breakup, but that's something to look at later. 4 hour chart, the same support level exists, and that's right above, or it's right below where CJ's fib retracement levels were, like around here, 469. Where was that? Sorry, bad at this. There you go. That was around where his fib retracement levels were. Static support zone from around there, like that's probably a decent jump-in point. And what's cool is that also lines up with our dynamic moving SMA here, like in 8-12 hours. That's going to be above this level, and that'll be a really good place for an entry. So hopefully price will kind of slowly get down to our entry point. Bearish divergences all invalidated, so that's even better. Let's drop down to the 1 hour and look at it. Bullish here. It's kind of not really what I'd want to trade off of, though. Bull trend confirmed, bull swing, strong bull throughout this whole move. Be looking for dynamic support since we don't really have, like this was sort of a static support. I don't know how I feel about it. But I would consider entering at Mar dynamic support and then maybe entering down here. But I don't like this setup just because it's so close to this resistance. Like, that'll limit upwards potential. So 1 hour, I probably wouldn't enter in and just wait for a good entry on the 4 hour or the 8 hour. But yeah, no, FTM's looking real bullish, and that could be a nice trade here in the future.